Hello friends, this video is created by Siddharth Upadhyay, founder and creator of PrepWings. Log on to www.prepwings.com for complete free course videos. Okay, in this video we'll talk about basics of geometry. First we'll talk about point, line and line segment. We have shown a point here. Point is nothing but a dot. A line is shown over here. A line stretches infinitely on both the sides. And a line segment is a part of the line between 2 points. So over here a line segment AB is shown. Now angles, angle is the amount of rotation or turn between two lines. So an angle A is shown over here. Okay. Vertex is the point of intersection of the two lines. In this figure A is the vertex. Okay. Angle is usually measured in degree. Okay. Now parallel and perpendicular lines. Parallel lines are lines that never intersect each other. So parallel lines are shown over here, L1 and L2, and the symbol for parallel lines is shown. So L1 is parallel to L2. Now for perpendicular lines, lines that intersect at an angle of 90 degree are called perpendicular lines. So L3 and L4 shown over here intersect at 90 degree. So they are perpendicular lines. So L3 is perpendicular to L4. Now acute angle, any angle that measures less than 90 degree is an acute angle. So angle PQR shown over here is less than 90 degree. So it is an acute angle, angle PQR. Right angle, any angle that equals to 90 degree is a right angle. So angle PQR shown over here is a right angle because it is equal to 90 degree. Obtuse angle, angles measuring more than 90 degree are obtuse angle. So over here PQR is shown to be greater than 90 degree. So angle PQR is an obtuse angle. Now vertically opposite angles. So when two lines intersect, they create vertically opposite angles. So suppose there are two line segments AC and BD. They intersect at point O. Okay. So they create vertically opposite angles which are equal. So angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. Similarly, angle AOB is equal to angle DOC. Okay, because these are vertically opposite angles. Now we will look at transversal for parallel lines. So parallel lines AB and CD are shown here and a transversal EF cuts through them. Okay, at points G and H. So if you look at the angles created over here, angle EGA is same as angle GHC, okay, because AB and CD are parallel lines. So if we look at all the angles that are being created over here, angle AGE is equal to angle CHG. Okay. Similarly, angle AGH will be equal to angle CHF. Angle EGB is equal to angle GHD, and angle BGH is equal to angle DHF. Okay. Now if we take the vertically opposite angles, angle AGE is equal to angle BGH and angle AGH is equal to angle BGE. Okay. So similarly, angle GHD is equal to angle CHF and angle GHC is equal to angle DHF. Okay. So these are the angles created when a transversal cuts through two parallel lines. Now complementary and supplementary angles. Complementary angles are angles which add up to 90 degree. So if A and B are complementary, A plus B is equal to 90 degree. Supplementary angles are angles that add up to 180 degree. So if P and Q are supplementary angles, P plus Q is 180 degree. Okay. Now we'll look at angles for straight line and circle. In a straight line, the angle is 180 degree. So over here, a straight line is shown and two angles x degree and y degree is created on the straight line. So x plus y is equal to 180 degrees. A circle has an angle of 360 degree. Okay, so a straight line has an angle of 180 degree and a circle has an angle of 360 degree. Okay, so this is all about the basics of geometry. Thanks a lot for watching this video.